Hey guys, it's Karina here at Kia of Everett, and I heard you bought a new Kia Sportage. I am so excited to show you some awesome features in here that you might have just forgotten. Alrighty, to set up your Bluetooth, you're going to scroll through the screen and click Setup. You also have the Setup button on the bottom screen. You're going to go ahead and click Device Connections. Then you'll click Device Connections again. You're going to go ahead and click Add New.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So you're going to go ahead and go on your phone now, on the settings of your phone, and click Bluetooth on those settings. After you click Bluetooth, you're going to search for the screen, the name Sportage, which is on the screen. Yours might have a different name, and you're going to click that. It's going to ask you if the code is correct, and if the code is correct, you're going to click Connect. After you connect, you're going to be all done. You can just push the media button to access your phone music. Secondly, this is how you're going to set up the clock on your new Kia Sportage. You're going to scroll over to the button that says Setup, which you also have on the bottom screen. You're going to click Setup. After you click Setup, you're going to click General. From General, you're going to scroll down to Date and Time. You can set the time automatically, or you can set up your custom time through here. You can also change daylight saving time with just a click of a button as well. Lastly, you have the option to change your driver's settings and features through the Setup button, like your lane following and lane keeping. If you want it to just be an audible alert rather than an assist, you can do that through pushing vehicle after you press settings. After that, you're going to scroll down to driver assistance. There you can see the button for forward safety, lane safety, and various other features. Go ahead and push the button. It gives you options for active assist, warning only, or to turn the whole feature off. Through the Setup button, you can also adjust your power liftgate to be a smart power liftgate where it opens up when you approach it. For this, you're going to click Settings, then you're going to go ahead and click Vehicle. You're going to scroll all the way down to the option where it says Door. After you have pressed Door, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find where it says Smart Power Liftgate. You're going to click that option on, and now you have your Smart Power Liftgate on. For example, you can use the Smart Power Liftgate if you have a box of chips or something. Alrighty guys, those were some quick features on your new Kia Sportage that you might have forgotten. Do not forget to like and subscribe for some future videos.